What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your stereo track even more wider, okay? And you don't need to use any plugins to do this, alright? So let's get started.
Oh, I am worthy. Yes, I am worthy.
I have this guitar track here. It's a stereo track. I'm going to play this track for you. Okay, really groovy track. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this track. I'm going to go to project, go to convert tracks, go to multi-channel to mono and hit OK. Okay, now I got two tracks, right? So obviously one of the track is being panned to the left, the other one to the right. Okay, so you can see it here, right, left. So to make it more widen in stereo, all you have to do is just delay one of the track. So we can do that quickly using this track delay functions here. So go and double click on it and enter the milliseconds amount. So I'm gonna go with 15 seconds. Right, I'm gonna mute this now. And now you can hear the tracks being widened than the original stereo track. Alright, now I'm gonna play the original. And that's, my friend, how you can make your stereo track even more wider. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.